Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds w and h. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the w sound in the word wheel. Wheel, wheel. Now the h sound in the word heel. Heel, heel. Now I will use them both in a sentence. She hurt her heel on the wheel. She hurt her heel on the wheel. She hurt her heel on the wheel. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!